Oh, he's got a line to turn around. See it in the front?
Yeah. I guess they push forward on the line to bring the stern out and then full reverse.
Crazy. Look at that thing. Frank's recording it too. They got what on the boat? Oh yeah. The little sailboat is sailing. Their sails are up. Sailboat is sailing. I know. I like it. I like it. Instead it was for sale. I'm literally looking at traps.
Yeah, I'm just talking about the one that was behind us.
Uh-oh. Roger that.
White is up, long white is up. Long red is up. This is a short red. Short red is up. Short red is up.
cold out here, man.
It's cold out here.
It's not so bad with a bunch of layers, though. And now that Frank got us some scarves, thank you, baby. You guys just booking it. So, as per usual, when it comes to boat life, our plans have changed. We planned on going to Money Point, Anchorage, in wherever Virginia we are. And we got there, didn't like it. Didn't seem like, although in the comments someone said that they went ashore, I don't know where or how, because there's a fence up on a lot of the sides, there's rocks and boulders and stuff on another side, and then the rest of it is all people's homes. So like, hello? Was they just going in people's backyards? I don't know. I'm not doing that. Virginia, ain't it a red state? I'm cool. So, yeah. We did a couple of circles while we were trying to figure it out, and Frank made the executive decision that we were going to just go south instead of going back up north where we were at the Hospital Point, Anchorage. That was about an hour of a sail. However, the wind is pretty brutal, and we would have been fighting it the whole way, so the sail up there probably would have been like an hour and a half to 2 hours in the opposite way that we want to go. So we're just going south.
Going south.
Where? We don't know. But we had to get past the bridge. I don't even know if you can see it anymore. I can't see. But we had to get past that bridge because it was going to be closing tomorrow?
Yeah.
It's going to be closing tomorrow, and it was going to be closed until Sunday. So ain't nobody trying to stay here longer than we have to. So we are, oh my God. We are just going to keep going south. We're going to find an anchorage to stay at, and we'll just figure it out. It's literally what our life is. It's just figuring shit out. You got anything you want to say, baby?
It's cold.
It is cold.
It's cold out here.
Alright, peoples, we'll catch up with you guys later. We are dropping. They said we were gonna drop about 3 feet. There's a boat back there that we heard on the radio go through a bridge that we had gone under, but they just missed it. And really, they wouldn't have been able to fit in here anyways. As you can see, our boat and this boat are the last two in the lock. If they had pulled up more on this port side, then, you know, maybe it could have fit, but whatever. We're all in here now. Let's get going south. That boat is from Rhode Island. That's insane. Screw that. I don't mess with the cold like that no more. I have no idea what she said. Something about don't stop and sailboats. Yeah. That's all I heard though. Like it didn't make any sense to me. Short white just came up, short white. The anchor is up, the anchor is out of the water. Okay, that other boat seems to be trying it, so let's do whatever we're planning on doing.
To the rear crab pot and then just try to nose up again.
Roger, sounds good.